Hello, welcome to Trading for Dummies. I'm a dummy and I like to trade, so I thought I would just show you guys how one dummy trades. Right now, I'm in an MES trade, ES Futures, the micro version of that. I saw this little spike down a few minutes ago, and I bought 2 MES contracts. I'm on the 3-minute chart. We have a volume profile over here. That's what this is, and the red sections over here, that's a day's worth of trading, 1 day, and this is the overnight session, the blue and the green. That was Friday's trading. This was Thursday. And then when the market opened after that day, Friday night happened, all this, and then Friday. And now here we are. I think we're bullish. Donald Trump's getting inaugurated today. So I'm kind of in a buy the dip kind of mode. I saw this little dip. I bought 2 MES with the hopes to buy even more if it goes a little bit lower, and then hopefully catch a dip right here and then ride some stuff today and hopefully break this high. That's my goal. We'll see. I'm a dummy, so that's how I'm thinking of it. This could be totally wrong. This could come down here. I could buy, and it could break through this, and I'll have to just get out. But since I'm using MES and my sizing is not too huge, I can manage that. We'll see how it goes. I'll keep you updated as the day goes on, but I did set an order because of this volume node right here, this little spike. That means more people bought in this area, so it could be an area of support. I'm buying 2 more right there. I have an order set. And this bigger volume spike right here, around 60, 20, around 60, 25. I got an order for 4. I'll have 4 at this point. My average will be about right here in the middle of that. If I buy 4 more down there, my average will be about right here. And hopefully that'll be a higher low of this, come down, although it looks like a bull flag forming. Maybe we'll come down. We don't know. I'm a dummy, so that's what I'm looking at, and we'll see if it works out. I will keep you updated as the day moves forward. Good luck if you're trading. Okay, it's a little bit later, of course. It hit my second order right here. My average is down to here, and I'm down like $92 right now. So let's see how bad this dip gets. Hopefully it'll get a little bit worse and hit me right here, then bounce at least back up to here, and I'll be in some profit. Let's see how it goes. Okay, looks like we're bouncing a little bit before it gets to my order down here. Being the dummy I am tempted to go ahead and buy 4 more right here if it comes back down. I'm tempted. How does the volume look? Look at all this red volume coming down. I need some green. If I see some green candles come back in here, it will be a good sign. Otherwise, I probably should wait for this, but I might double this order. I'm on 4. If this was 8, my average after that buy would be about right here, about right there, which was not an out of the question kind of a bounce, obviously, and then hopefully it would just keep going and I'd be in a lot bigger. But of course, the cardinal rule of trading is do not add to a loser. Do not add to a loser. But of course, I'm not all in, so I'm scaling into this trade. We'll see how it goes. Okay, we're back. The whole market seems to be dumping. If you look over to the left side on the hourly chart, look at this big red candle. This is the perfect definition of catching a falling knife. Why am I trying to buy this? Because I'm a dummy. Yep, I should have bought that at double this, and I'd already be break even. But, you know, I got one. There's probably one more little leg to go here. We will see. We'll just manage this trade as dumb as we can. See how it goes. Well, would you look at that? And we've gotten into 8 contracts now. I just bought 4 more. I'm in 8, and now I am $157, $127 in the hole. All right, Trading for Dummies. Welcome to the show. What we really want to do is get a bounce. You know, that's what we want. So what am I going to have to do? Am I going to have to stop this thing out? How much do I want to lose on this thing? I'm up to 117. I really don't want to lose more than 500 here. So I've got a little bit of leeway left. So I'm going to keep an eye on this thing, and I might just buy 16 if there's a big enough dip and I can catch it in time for a little bounce. We'll see. We'll see. Because we're not even in one whole ES yet, you know. Yeah, we're just getting started here. Come on, we're gonna play a bounce. Okay, we're back again at 7:20 a.m. Looks like we've had a little bit of a bounce. I'm only down 87. No, 67. It's hard to see the screen. It looks like we've had a bounce. It looks almost just like what happened up here. Kind of consolidated for a minute and then took another big dump. Which you very well could do. Very well could do. This could be the new top. And I could possibly not make it back up here to my break-even point. At around 6028. But I'm going to hold on and see what happens. Cross your fingers for me. Okay, so would you look at that? The price came right up and touched and broke even for just a split second and went back down. I actually had considered just getting out right here because it's looking kind of bearish all of a sudden, and I could have gotten out of that break even and started all over again. But I did not do that because I'm a dummy, right? Hindsight is 20/20, even if you're a dummy. So we'll see what happens. Holy crap, I don't know what just happened, but I just spiked. I was up $400 there for a second. What the hell just happened? News at 7:30. News happened, and I was in the money, and now I'm... What? Look at that candle. I forgot to look at the news. So, of course, another dummy move there. I'm going to just get out of this because it's not a good idea to trade during news events, is it? Come on, get me back up there. This is a 3-minute chart. My God, let's look at the 1-minute chart. All right, come on, guy, get me back up. All right, look at that, 80 bucks in profit. Let's start getting out of this. Sell 1, sell 2. Come on, spike it, baby. Sell 3. I'm up 130. Sell 4. Up 125. All right, I just sold half. Maybe this thing will just keep going. Look at that. All right, I'm in profit. Even a dummy can do it. Every now and then you get a little luck on your... Look at this thing. What the... Sell 1 more. You know, when you're trading, one of the mantras is... Buy the dips, sell the rips. So don't forget to sell the rips if you bought the dip, which I did, didn't I? Dang, I'm holding 3 of these, and this thing is still going. So I think I'm just going to hold on to that thing for a little while. Holy... Look at this. I'm up... Still up 270 here after all I've sold, which... I can't really tell how much I've made so far yet. I'll look at that in a minute, but... All right. This trade is working out. Trading for dummies. Buy the dips, sell the rips. Look at the hourly over here. It just retested this top other candle. Is it going to break this, or is this going to be just straight back down? Probably one or the other. This could go all the way back to my entry point. So... At this point, you have to decide, where am I getting out of this if it starts coming back down? I don't want to lose $228. But I also don't want to get stopped out. So, you know, it's something a dummy has to consider when in a trade. Should I sell 1 more? I mean, it's only 3 MES. Let's go 1 more. Let's sell 1 more right now. So it can really take off and I can go, why did I do that? That's okay. Oh, taking profit is always a good idea. You can't go broke taking a profit, as they say. I'm going to hold on to these right here and see what happens. I'll keep you updated. While that other trade is marinating, I took a look at gold, and look at this huge red candle that came down on the hourly to the left over here. And that's a dip. I kind of like to buy the dips, so I went in and bought one micro gold. Another small purchase, very small, with the hopes that it'll come down a little bit more and hit my second order, which is for 2 right here at 27.19, kind of a little bit below this low from 2 days ago. And maybe it'll create a little range here if I can scale in, maybe even down to 27.15 or all the way down to 2700. That would be nice. And then see a bounce back up to these lows where we're at right now would be pretty cool. Or it could just bounce for here and just go on up. So if it does that, I'm in a little. If it gets lower, I'll be in more. And we'll see how it goes. Nothing wrong with catching a falling knife if you don't go in too big too soon. You know, we got to save most of the ammo for the real low spike down. So I'm just in small. Anyway, we'll see how it goes. I'll keep you updated. Okay, back to the MES. It looks like we're taking a little bit of a dump here. What I'm going to do right now is take this profit, $142. I'm going to sell that. Bam. All right. Now, I'm also going to buy this dip. Bam. That just lets me bank some profit and start a new trade, and I can scale into this one as well. I don't think it's out of the question that it'll come back down to this red line, which is the previous peak, previous high that we had. I'm going to buy 2 more around this area for a bounce, or just let it keep going up. We'll see. 2. Order in. Okay. Meanwhile, I just checked the gold on the left side here. It's up $74. Let's look at the chart on it while we're here. Would you look at that? I bought one measly little MGC, and we're up $72 already. I'm just going to hold on to it for a little while and see what happens. I'm tempted to sell it though and just bank this profit too, because you know how volatile these markets are. Okay, gold is coming back down. I'm just going to get out of this right now at $7 profit. I've seen what gold can do, and it's very violent and does exactly the opposite of what you think it's going to do most of the time, just like most markets do. But I can see this coming all the way back down, at least to around here. Look at this volume node over here. I might set me an order right there for another 1. I'm going to buy 2. 1 wasn't enough last time, was it? And if it keeps going, I'll buy some down here and for a bounce back up to this level here. All right. All right, this second order I bought is up $96. I'm going to go ahead and get out of that one too. Bye-bye. And back to the gold trade over here on MGC. I got out of that one a few minutes ago, and I set a 2-buy order down here, and it just hit it. Are we going to keep going down, or are we going to go up? What are we going to do? Man, if that goes up from here, I hit the very bottom. Well, nope. See, there it goes. Even lower. Well, let's see how this plays out. It's a quick P&L check of all that's going on so far today. Let's see. We've got total P&L today is $481.88. Not too bad for this morning before 9 a.m. All right, back to the ES after I got out of the trade. Look at that. It's buying it as we speak. I wanted to put an order in at this level here, and I just caught it. I bought 2 this time, MES. And my gold trade is not doing so well. It's only up $2. It keeps bouncing around. I got a stop loss order in here too because I don't trust it. And there went one of the stop losses. I only sold one. That's okay. I'm still in one gold. I might get in another one down here at the bottom and see if it bounces. Yeah, let's add one here. Could have a little double bottom action thing. We'll see. Come on, ES. Time to go back up, man. If not, I'll buy more down here with this big volume area. Okay, the trading day's over now. I ended up going upstairs and making some food and watching all this on the iPad. What happened was on the ES over here, MES, I ended up buying again here and selling here. That was it. But on gold, I ended up buying that dip, I think is recorded. Then I had another order here. It hit that too and kept going down. I had the order scaled all the way down here. You can see 3 arrows. So I think I had one order here and then one for 2. And then down here eventually I had like 12 contracts in. So I started selling them out right up through here. Bam, 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 bam on this bounce. And then I ended up selling out. Then I ended up buying another one here and selling it up here. And then I bought another one down here and selling it up here at the very end of the day. Close to the end of the day. And we end up with a P and L for the day of what? 687.50 right there. Not too shabby for trading micros.